trick karting at the VMax Circuit. Oh, hi everyone! As I said, we're going to do a session at the VMax Circuit in Bucharest. I already have a video up on my channel doing a session there. But this video is a little different, because in this video, we use the more powerful VMax power karts. In the karts I drove before, I had the boost button that I could use 5 seconds each lap, and that would cause my kart to go a little faster. By a little, I mean like double the speed. But with these VMax power karts, it's basically like I'm pressing the boost button always, so I'm always going at the maximum speed of the kart. The session was really fun, and I had a couple of overtakes. So make sure to watch till the end to see my lap time, because it improved lots from the last session. Right before we get into the video, I just want to remind you that if you enjoyed the videos on this channel, please make sure to subscribe, because it means a lot and I really appreciate it. Okay, so enough of the talking, so let's get on to the video.
3, 2, 1, go!
On the first lap, I'm just focusing on remembering the circuit from the last time I went, and focusing on catching up to the person in front so I can overtake them. As the laps go on, I'm improving my line little by little and finding time where I lost it before. Here I start getting closer to the person in front, and I'm looking for the correct time and place to overtake. Where I gain the most time is at the hairpin, because I found a really good way of taking it. You basically have to go on the outside on the entry and then curve in and go on the inside and press the throttle maximum. The whole lap I'm behind this guy, and I'm really battling him. He's a really good driver and he's driving really well right now. Here on the next lap, as I told you, I get the hairpin correctly, and so I'm really close to him, and I'm kind of side by side. I let him go through first, but then on this corner I get a better exit, so I have more speed carried out. He sees that and he lets me pass. Right here I can't see anyone in front, so I'm just focusing on getting the best lap time possible so I can win the session basically. here I start seeing someone in front, so I start pushing really hard so I can overtake them. I stay patient and I don't go for a dumb overtake. I wait to have the perfect opportunity and then I strike. Overtook him safely and nicely. Here I see that the person behind is kind of faster than me, so I slow down a little and let him pass, because I don't want to ruin his lap time. He salutes me and I appreciate that. The session finishes, and now I'll explain to you what sector I'm best at and what sector I have to improve. So my best lap time was a 58.317, but the best lap time of the session was the 56.172. And on sector 1 I got 23 seconds. First place had 22 seconds. On sector 2 I had 18.7 seconds. First place had 17.7 seconds. And sector 3 I had 16.4 and first place has 16.2. So my best sector is sector 3, but I have to improve on sector 1 and 2 and get about a second down from each, which is doable in my opinion, because I really thought where I had to improve.
That session was amazing, and my best lap time was a 58.317 seconds. And with that time, I got third place in the session, which is quite good for my first time doing VMax Power. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to press the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, press the subscribe button below. As always, have a great day everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!